Hey there, what's up? Welcome back to English Mantras. Friends, if you have ever found yourself stumbling over English words or phrases, you are not alone. Trust me, today we are diving into simple and effective strategies to improve your English speaking skills. Friends, we make mistakes while speaking English due to the lack of using the English language in our daily life. So, what is the solution? Surround yourself with English. For example, change your phone language to English. Follow English speaking accounts on social media. Watch your favorite shows with English subtitles. Read English storybooks, novels, magazines, newspapers. Every day, pick a new English word, use it in different sentences throughout the day. It's like planting a little language seed that grows into a vocabulary garden, right? Pick a word like effervescent. Use it in different ways during the day. Like, I can use it, I felt effervescent after my morning coffee, or the effervescent laughter of children brightened my day. Talk to your pet or plants. Yes, it really works. Your furry friend or leafy companion will not judge your grammar. Explain your day or share your thoughts. For instance, Tommy, today was amazing. I met a new friend. Or, hey little plant, let's grow together and conquer the day. It's a judgment free zone, right? It will definitely improve your speaking skills and you will stop committing mistakes. Friends, listen and repeat. Find your favorite English songs, podcasts, or audiobooks. Play them on repeat. Mimic the pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. You will be singing in English before you know it, for sure. Now, friends, embrace these tips, make them a part of your daily routine, and watch as your English skills naturally flourish. Progress may be subtle, but it is the small steps that lead to fluency. Friends, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language tips on our English Mantras channel. Happy speaking, and until next time, keep the language journey alive. This is Saurabh. Ciao.